What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Cameraman, armed cameraman with a ridiculously big rifle. I'm not sure if it's a flamethrower or what. It's got all these red lights on it. Looks like a serious weapon. So let's draw him. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. And we'll start with the head. So just up the top, up here. General shape is sort of, okay, we go this way. It's kind of like curved at the bottom, right? And it goes up. So kind of like a box with smooth edges, smooth corners, rounded corners. Okay. And then we have like two little edges that come off here. And then this goes sort of around the top of this. You kind of follow that line again. Down like so. And then this goes back for the top of the camera. Over like that. And in there we got the screen itself. So like, which would probably be his eye, I guess. And then another sort of edge line around it. So he has a circular lens just around the bottom, sort of touching his chin. And then there's a circle inside. So, and then a line going back. And around the edge, I think it has like loads of these little, I think they're lights, little LEDs. Right, that kind of thing. And then he has headphones on. Big headphones on, like so. It's got like an extra little edge or something here to them. They're quite big. The white symbol there. And do the same thing over the side. A white box there as well. And that goes down the middle. And the headphones have a little sort of edge thing again. The white circle. And then they're joined together with this strap, sort of a rainbow line. Like so. I think we'll give them a little edge, just make it look a bit 3D. So he's got like a big duster jacket and then the big gun, right? So let's say collar on this side, we can see it here. Disappears down behind the gun at some point, right? So that's a collar. And then this side, collar say there on the inside of it. But the gun is like diagonal, so it cuts that off a little bit. And then the inside of this. And then his shoulder. Just comes down, and this hand is the one that's sort of holding the gun. I think it's like rolled up sleeves kind of Someone will probably correct me on that now. But it looks like rolled up sleeves to me. And then this just becomes his sort of armpit sort of area here. And this is all his jacket, big long jacket here. And we got like a shirt inside, so his collar sort of just comes around his head. So that's roughly in the middle. We've got like a little shirt collar there. It's all dark in here, we can't see what's in there. And he's got a bow tie. Not a bow tie, a normal tie. Down behind the gun. Maybe another little bit of collar here. Okay, so that big gun, right, before we do sort of anything else, right, there's another, well, before we do, there's another line for a jacket just there. And kind of shirt lines and stuff in here. So we gotta get this big gun in. So, what's this, his shoulder? Bring his shoulder down a bit on that side, and we'll do the, I think they got jetpacks. At the back. Right, so now we're trying to do this gun, right? So it's got a big stop at the end. Right, like a rifle end. Steps down a little bit. And then this goes this way, and it has a handle at the end here. Right, and then the barrel stays going. We'll just get the general shape and then we'll add in details and stuff then. There's another little line here, but it goes behind his hand. So he's like, his elbow, I think, is here. And then his sleeve there. And then his hand seems to come out this way. Right, so he's like holding the weapon, it's just kind of resting on his glove hand there. And then there's another side of it here. It's like where the trigger is. And his sleeve will go up and behind there. Right, so then there's like a laser sight thing or something here. That is, okay, so this goes up here, and then we have the big long barrel, right? And it kind of changes direction, so it goes that way, gets a bit skinnier at the front twice, and so it steps up, and then it has these little boxes inside. Right, and like another red glowing circle in there, like that, and then we go back the way, so we go back like this. And there's stuff all on top. Like little lines and stuff here. Right. So what is that? There seems to be like a fin sticking out there. And then there's like a big laser thing here, like a half circle-ish sort of thing. And then this goes up and back. Back like so, and it like covers some of his bow tie or his dress tie. I keep calling it bow tie. There's all these boxes and stuff out here. Like that, right? So that's your general shape for that weapon. So these little teardrop like things here, I think. And there's like lines on the barrel going that way. There's all details inside here. So these are like little sort of rectangular boxes, right? Like so, and there's another sort of box or something sticking off here. Okay, and then more sort of sights and barrels and all sorts. Boom, just kind of breaking it up, building it up, you know, into these different sort of sections. And there's like more sort of boxes here. Okay, well, I think that's good enough for me. And then you like color it black, obviously, and do your glowing red in there, red in there. So he's like, his hand comes underneath the weapon. Oh, there's another thing here. It's like another sight or something. So this is his jacket just coming down. So his hand just like is holding the barrel of the gun here, right? So you got like his little sort of finger coming out here. Right. And then his jacket comes all the way down that way then. And so the jacket goes down behind. Comes out this way. Down there. And then the toilet roll. So it's hilarious that they carry toilet roll. And then just his jacket then, so the side of it, where would it be? like that's his armpit then, so it comes just down there. Then his jacket that side. Like a little box or something here. Alright, and then just like the line for his trousers or his pants. Like so. And that, friends, is how to draw armored, super mega heavy armored. Oh, you could add like textures and stuff. Super mega heavy armored cameraman. Hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.